Nikkie Tutorials posted this look. Oh my god. Alright, Nikkie Tutorials posted a reel recently that to a black lip. So let's give it a try. I'm going to be lining my lips using this particular liner, which is the ColourPop X Snitchery. It's the Scene Queen. This one, the shade name is Hello Darkness Lippie Stix. Okay, that looks super cool. You know what I'm gonna do for the shimmer part? Most of the products are from ColourPop. Obviously, I'm getting PR from them. I'm so grateful. Thank you so much, ColourPop. And yeah, this is from their Villains collection. This is the Villains Anomaly. This is called as the Glitterally Obsessed. So let's give this a try. This is how it looks. Oh my god. We also need some gloss to top it off. Mama again has the ColourPop Luxe Lip Oil. I love this collection again. I love everything from ColourPop, literally. And I'm not going to go directly on my lips. I took this lip oil and I applied it on my hand. Now I'm going to use this brush. Ooh. So how does this look? You guys need to tell me. Comment down below and let me know how it looks.